Auntie. So she attack me sick. Me take it for myself. Go listen to it. Donna only, mama tell her something with Donna. Donna only look, mama tell her something, not even her mother or her picnic them. And if the truth me gonna talk, can make it. Donna only want to make sure it's a fear behind cover with Ashanti. Well, Donna, I don't care who me know say. Me a clap it way. Me a slap it way. And if me have to use what you do with your mother, I care zero. All you do, you sue me. All you do, you sue me. I don't care. And I am finished with the topic. Because I say, me have better thing. Me have to go up on him. I know, when him did that do it, you never did come out and talk about it. Make the memories them play. When you say you're no business with nobody business, that know when you're doing business, you must not business. Like how me mean say no, me no business, me I ride him back till the 7th of March, cares not what. Anything when me feel for take and show and tell him that me I tell him because when him a nasty, stinky, crackhead, dirty matlock, we have to pick up collection. For him birthday, for our brother Berry. I never talk and come out and come talk and my son don't get no bully. Me I right back Ashanti because Ashanti no have no secret for me. No secret for me. Ashanti don't have no secret for me. You are going to call people hypocrite. Donna, you are a hypocrite because you never did say anything from what him do. You always no business. So why now the pressure? Why now when the pressure cave in on him? Why now when it come in? All of a sudden, your business now become address. Who they are foreign and better than me they are Jamaica? Who sick and who forgot to take their medication and who this and all of a sudden. When Ashanti did that do it, he never began kill it. We supposed to kill it because we are woman. We supposed to kill it. Him not supposed to kill it with him imitation underneath. So Donna ma'am, I don't care if you don't want to take this as a cousin. Me didn't have to talk this and get it off from my thing there. Everything stay the same way because me have to talk. Me now go take it up in my heart and then me sidestep you. Still stay the same way and peace out. I am done. Bless up on yourself. I go. And I am going to put my part. I am going to put my part on it. Because I find it quite rude and I feel offended. First of all, let me say this to say that. Me know say me can tell you say I was a co-host over Ashanti show. So me not go expect nobody did for business, but I have a few questions for Miss Donna. And I go tell you when me feel offended, whether she not call no name or what. First of all, I must thank you. When I did in need, I use your platform because I know you got here say I cuss Miss Donna. But I don't care. Zero, I don't care. I do not care. Zero. Now, when cuss and when problem, anybody I go take anything, because Donna call people name on our platform. Anybody I go take people name Donna, I'm money you I look to and I'm money you want to make you over YouTube, make you depend on social media. Because I sure know say you use that YouTube check and I sit down and hear your boss on your platform and say YouTube turn you in a millionaire. Now, when you as a humanitarian I go come out and I go come go on like say you want style people and sickness. Donna, let me tell you something. My thrombosis, me never go shop or supermarket go buy it. Neither me never trust it and me never beg it. Sickness make for everybody. Me hear you come out past social media in at the time and you say you did depression. You did depressed. Depression and sickness never make for nobody. When the dirty boy did that do what him did that do, you say if Donna either you're gonna do something or you're not going to do it. You never come out and you never say anything. I hear that boy drug Chris, where should be your brother, where everything Chris go in for you. Me see all when Derek Chris have to turn off in comment section over TikTok and you never say anything. No. Then go for memories. Me talk about it because me forever will talk about it and me forever will say Justice Lulu. Me have to tell the dirty boy what him do. No. Whether him under pressure or not, then you come out now and I got you want to talk, then everybody free for talk. Me not call you down. So how people sickness and people health and who should have did there Jamaica and that. Then I make me tell you something. Remember you talk which part you did not come from, where you did not feel to. Donna, remember. Do not feel like say you're better than any of us out here, whether financially or health-wise, because there is a man who sit up above worse when you want to do it in the unjust way. Because you never did feel to come out. You never did want to come out. You never business. So how your business now? I know the first your name I call up. All your business now. All your business now and all sickness and you is a humanitarian and then you're not supposed to call nobody by them side because you're not small. We can count the small girls them out here. We can count the girls them who wear small size out here. We're not small, Donna. It's all the while you do it, but this one of you care how comes you as a humanitarian and come out here, come class people and I tell people about sickness and sickness. You know, you cannot come tell about we know we're sick, but that not so because we're sick, we're not supposed to live on YouTube, and because I'm sick, we're not supposed to defend my late son. I walk away from that dirty man. Don't you did come out and address him when he talk about your mother and talk about Pampas? So for the pressure him feel and reach out to knock your leg, then I come and tell you something, you know. You see me sit down right here, so you say you have a lot in your phone. If I the pressure him a feel and reach out to knock your leg, for no reach out, me will forever talk. Nobody now shut me up. Nobody. I play the bigger person from the 7th of March till the 25th. I get message on my phone, so I'm afraid of him. I never see you. I never see you. And now I decide for clap. You got ears to who sick, who this, who that. Then you love mix up too. Everybody love mix up because if you never love mix up, you wouldn't address this. Yeah? If you never love mix up, then you would not address this. You only when time you feel and the hypocrite come from you. You never say nothing. Well, me not expect you to defend me because I can defend myself. That's one thing. I can defend myself lyrically and I can defend myself physically. That's one thing with me. But the other day when that man come out and him drag your brother, you never come out and say you condemn it. You never say anything. But now the memories them a play upon him. Now the memories them a play upon him. You find it now if you come out and if you come